From improving citizen services to streamlining communication, QR codes are helping governments connect faster and more efficiently. Want to give citizens instant access to government resources? Use the website QR to link directly to service portals, official documents, registration forms, or emergency updates. Place them on posters, mailers, or digital displays. Need to share downloadable forms, notices, or public reports? The file QR lets users download PDFs, docs, or other documents straight to their devices. Ideal for building entrances, printed letters, or bulletin boards. Want to consolidate info into a single mobile-friendly page? Use the landing page QR to create a custom page with no coding required. Perfect for local events, permit applications, or community outreach. Got a civic app? Use the App Store QR to promote official apps for transportation, tax filing, emergency alerts, or city services. It automatically detects the user's device and redirects to the right store. Want to increase civic engagement? Use the social media QR to link all your official channels in one organized mobile page. Great for public announcements and increasing transparency. From documents to digital services, QR Code Kit helps government agencies connect with citizens, share vital information, and modernize public access.